Have you ever dreamed of finding real gold in nature? Gold hunting is one of the oldest treasure activities in human history, and even today, people still discover gold in rivers, mountains, and deserts around the world. Gold is a heavy metal that often travels through rivers after erosion from rocks and mountains. Because gold is heavier than sand and small stones, it usually settles at the bottom of rivers, behind large rocks, or inside cracks. One of the easiest ways to search for gold is called gold panning. This method uses a simple pan filled with river sediment. By shaking the pan underwater, lighter materials move away while heavier particles like gold stay at the bottom. Gold is easy to recognize because of its bright yellow metallic color and heavy weight. Unlike fake gold minerals such as pyrite, real gold does not rust and stays shiny even when scratched lightly. Some of the best places to search for gold include mountain rivers, old mining areas, quartz rich rocks, and locations with volcanic geology. Quartz veins are especially important because natural gold is sometimes found inside white quartz rocks. Many gold hunters use simple tools such as metal detectors, shovels, classifiers, magnets, and small gold pans. Professional miners may also use sluice boxes and advanced equipment. However, finding gold requires patience, knowledge, and careful observation. Most gold discoveries are very small, but occasionally people discover valuable gold nuggets worth thousands of dollars. Always remember to respect local laws and get permission before searching for gold in protected areas. Nature hides incredible treasures beneath our feet, and maybe your next adventure could lead to real gold. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more treasure hunting and gemstone discovery videos.